is Miss Nancy, Kansas Children's Discovery Center, Discovery at Home, and we are here to let toddlers discover aluminum foil. Great stuff. They can learn how to tear, and you're going to put pinch your fingers on and pull toward your belly button with one hand and push away from your belly button in the other. It tears. They're learning about the properties of aluminum foil. It's shiny, it's moldable, it sticks to you and it sticks to itself. It can float, and it can do more than that. Have your child just enjoy tearing the pieces and putting them, show them how to put them in the basket. And then when they have it fairly full, I want you to try to do one more thing. Be brave, parents. This is going to be against everything you want to do, but it's for the process of science, so go for it. Once they have their basket full from the shiny, shimmery pieces of aluminum foil, I want you to ask them to make a prediction. What do you think will happen if you blow into the basket? And then I want you to let them find out. Are you ready to find out? It flies, it floats, it's lightweight. So there's one game, and then you can have them using pincer grasp, putting it back into your basket. It can become a game into itself, the fun of tearing and picking up. But as we continue on, I want you to introduce another favorite tool of mine, glue. It can wash up easily. Go for it. You can, if you feel safer, go with a glue stick, but I really like the fine motor control of this squeezing, and it gives them control of how much and where the glue goes. It's a learning process. You might see that there's a little bit of control, but probably not. There'll be just giant lakes and puddles. But ask them to move it and see what happens, but let them discover it. This is pure process. So it's not for us to decide what it looks like, it's for them to decide. Now, they may pick up one piece or several, and they're learning more. Well, do you think it sticks as well if you have a clump as if you have one piece? And will it move around if you don't like where it is? Uh-oh. Fingers. How did that happen? Cause and effect. When you work with glue, it's like water. Water drips, so does glue, and you may end up with sticky fingers. It's a great learning experience. Now, this is what you may have, but keep in mind, it's the process. It's the process, not the final product that we're going for. Now, before you despair completely of aluminum foil, I want to show you one more thing. It's called object permanence. Take your foil, and then you're going to take a few objects that are easily familiar or recognized. We happen to have fruit at the market at the Discovery Center, so I have 3 pieces of fruit. Well, have them make a guess. What do they think it is? And then, using their fine motor control, have them unwrap and see if they guessed. If they were surprised, or if they knew what it was. Great stuff, and you can use the foil for your next recycled project. So keep aluminum foil on hand with your toddler, and you've got an hour at least full of really fun projects to do. This is Miss Nancy, Discovery at Home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Sunflower Health Plan for your generous support of Discovery at Home.